Discount Diva here, coming to you with another Dollar Tree haul. And I wanted to show you more new items that I keep finding because of course I can't resist. I have to hit up all different kinds of Dollar Trees. So this one I had not been to, so I was curious to see if they had some new inventory and just to see what they had, and I was so surprised to see that they did have new items. And I wanted to start by showing you that they had these yo-yo nail press-on for children, for girls. And this is a unicorn design, so it has rainbows and bows, and it comes in pink, and it's for 12. And this one is the poop, because my youngest is obsessed with everything poop and my oldest is obsessed with everything unicorn. So I got them each one of each. And then they had lip gloss surprise, also by Yo-Yo World. Is that on Yo-Yo World? Yeah, this is Yo-Yo Nails. And this is Yo-Yo World. So basically what it is, it's a mystery lip gloss. So you can get any of these 5 designs, which could be a unicorn, it could be a Hatchimal, a giraffe, and they're all holographic lip glosses. So this is fun because they don't know what they're gonna get. It's a surprise. So I picked one of each. Well, I hope they get a different one so that they don't fight. So this would be nice. This would even be nice to do like for a goodie bag. You can put the nails with the lip gloss. And I also found these flip headbands. It's the turquoise, but then when you flip it, it's the light pink. And these are by Lily Jane, and it's called a mermaid sequin head wrap. So they had 2. And these are by Lily Jane. These are absolutely gorgeous. You can wear these for the holidays. You can wear this for a party. So, so, so adorable. And then in the same section of the head wraps, I saw that they had a 3 kids shower cap, also by Lily Jane, in the leopard, the pink, and the white. So these are good when, you know, you're giving your girls a bath, a shower, and you don't want to wash their hair, and this is good to just throw on, and it has a 3-pack, so this is nice. And then in the same area, I found these scunci magic buns, and let me tell you, I have it on now. I kind of thought it would be a little difficult, but I ended up practicing today. So this one I have on is 1, and then I bought 3 more. I bought 2 for my girls, and I promised my friend that I was gonna pick her up 1. And I'm gonna turn around and show you how I would do it. So let's see if I can show you. So what I would do is you put the outside of the comb, you grab, right, and then you get to the end of your hair, and then you would start to tuck it in, and then you clip it. I mean, it would look a little bit better, but I just wanted you guys to get the idea. So I thought this would be a wonderful thing when they have their recitals or when you just want to do a magical bun. And it's by Scunci. So this is a good deal. And then I wanted to remind you guys that, you know, these are from the Dollar Tree. These are the Kiss. And I picked up 2 more pairs of the same color. And this is the medium size. And then I noticed it had different colors. They had the light pink and short nails, and you have a count of 12. They had the gray. You also get a count of 12. And they had like a, what would you call this? Like a purple mauve? Because this is more like a raspberry that I have on my nails. But these are really nice. They last long. The color is beautiful. And this is the medium size length. These are the shorter ones. And then I picked up these pin and hold by Conair 15 in brown. Because I figured, you see, when I'm making this messy bun, I could just take one out. And these look like they're good quality. And boop, boop. See, you just take one and keep going. But I thought that little scunci magical bun tool is neat. Of course, I'm going to make it a little tighter. But you guys get the gist. I wanted to show you how you did it. And I'm gonna go back to fixing the bun. But I had been searching for these. These are the scunci lip glosses that they light up when you open them up. So they had, it's the same color, but the top of the design is different. And I just wanted to open it up and see what it looks like when you open it up. So it has a side mirror. Comes in a nice square packaging with the blue and purple. So the mirror is on the side. And it's clear. It's a light up. Ooh, look at that. So if you're out and you're somewhere dark and you need to touch up your lip gloss, boop. You go and you, oh, and it's nice and sparkly. I love what it's doing to my lipstick now. Look how pretty that is. And it lights up. Oh my goodness, I just fell in love with this. Thank you for lighting up my lips. And I remember my co-worker, oh, this has a sticker on top. My co-worker was selling, she was selling makeup from a book. I don't know if it was Mary Kay or I don't know what. And they had the light up lip glosses. They were $15 just because it lit up. I'm about to go get me some more of these because these are wonderful. Even as a present to just throw as a, you know, in a grab bag or something, or for the holidays, Christmas. How beautiful is that it just lights up like that? Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, I guess it's when you push it down, it lights up. Okay. This is beautiful. And then the black and white design, the cover. And it's a little tasty. I should go back and get some more. All right, guys. Let me fix my bun again. So I really like this because when I make a bun, I just make it all discombobulated. This looks very sophisticated. It's a sophisticated bun. And it's a nice little tool, so you don't use this side, you use the comb side out. So what I do is I push my hand through. Yeah. Out. Then I do it backwards. Okay, here we go. Make sure that the comb is out. Okay. And then I'm gonna roll that up again. Sorry, guys. Okay. Here we go. That's a little tighter, okay. And you see these little things? That's why I got the pins. This way I just go and nice. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my haul. I'm really trying to search for the new items and I'm not disappointed at all because these little things, I'm telling you, throw them in a goodie bag with the lip glosses. And they also had just the lip gloss alone, but I think just making it like a mystery, like what am I gonna get, which flavor am I gonna get, that's just more fun for the little ones, you know. Throw this in there, even with one of these mermaid headbands, you throw in a little goodie bag, you're good to go. And you spent $3. And these little magic buns, they're a nice little tool when you want to do a bun. And the nails, you could never go wrong with these Kiss nails. And I'm telling you, I just fell in love with these light up lip glosses. There you go. Is it? Okay, here we go. Let me try that again. Okay, here we go. Cool. All right. Okay. Are you defective? Let me see. Now it didn't light up anymore. Okay. I still like it though. There we go. Thanks for watching. Until next time, just Diva here.